Lotus Emeya electric sedan, unveiling a 905 horsepower marvel with cutting-edge tech. Lotus, the renowned British automaker, has taken the wraps off its latest flagship creation, the Emeya, in a dazzling event held in the heart of New York City, formerly known as the Type 133. This all-new electric sedan is set to disrupt the luxury electric vehicle market, pitting itself against formidable competitors like the Tesla Model S and the Porsche Taycan Turbo. Notably, the Emeya marks Lotus' return to the realm of Ford or sedans, a category at last explored with the Opel Omega-based Carlton back in the 1990s. At the forefront of the Emeya's design philosophy lies a relentless pursuit of aerodynamic excellence. The sedan introduces an active grille, a feature previously showcased on the Eletre SUV. This innovative grille can intelligently adapt closing to reduce drag for enhanced efficiency or opening to facilitate the cooling of the battery. And brakes. Complementing this, the Emeya boasts an active front spoiler, drawing inspiration from motorsport engineering, along with an active diffuser and an active rear spoiler. These elements work in harmony to maximize downforce, ensuring the Emeya's prowess on winding canyon roads and demanding race circuits. Notably, the active rear spoiler is a substantial 11.0 inches wide, surpassing the one featured on the Eletre, and generates an impressive net downforce of 470 foot-pounds. Although the specific speed at which this occurs remains undisclosed, turning the spotlight inward. The Emeya showcases a commitment to sustainability that permeates its interior. In an automotive industry first, Lotus employs a groundbreaking yarn, crafted from cotton waste, sourced from the fashion and clothing sectors for the passenger compartment upholstery. This not only embodies a form of sustainable luxury, but also contributes to weight savings when compared to traditional leather. Moreover, Lotus embraces advanced processes such as physical vapor deposition (PVD) to create stunning metallic finishes on select interior surfaces. The cabin boasts a blend of materials, including Alcantara, ultra-fabric polyurethane, and Nappa leather, creating a harmonious and luxurious environment. The Emeya's interior is more than just a display of sustainable materials. It features a state-of-the-art KEF 3D surround sound system equipped with noise cancellation technology. Exterior-mounted vibration sensors detect tire and suspension movements, enabling algorithms to generate anti-phasing acoustic signals through the speakers, effectively reducing interference for the driver. A remarkable 55-inch augmented reality head-up display provides quick access to critical information, accompanied by digital mirrors and LiDAR modules akin to those found in the Eletre. Underpinning the Emeya is the bespoke electric premium architecture EPA, a platform derived from Geely's Sustainable Experience Architecture C, expected to deliver a range similar to that of the Eletre. The Emeya's estimated range is 373 miles on the optimistic WLTP cycle. It houses a 100 kWh battery pack, slightly smaller than the Elitre's 112 kWh unit, yet it retains rapid charging capabilities, with the ability to add 93 miles of range in just 5 minutes via a 350 kilowatts DC fast charger. Recharging from 10 to 80% takes a mere 18 minutes using the same charger. Performance figures catapult the Emeya into hypercar territory, with a jaw-dropping 905 horsepower and 726 pound-feet of torque. This electric sedan can rocket from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 2.8 seconds. The Emeya's all-wheel drive configuration is paired with a 2-speed transmission, while Lotus proudly proclaims a race-grade braking system. Chassis technology includes an adjustable suspension capable of analyzing the road conditions a staggering 1,000 times per second. In essence, the Lotus Emeya electric sedan is a tour de force, combining cutting-edge aerodynamics, sustainable luxury, and exhilarating performance. With its unique blend of innovation and tradition, it boldly steps into the electric vehicle arena, poised to challenge established contenders and carve out a niche of its own.